Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Elfwood Animal Kingdom. H is for horse. Start off with a really light blob and then draw an angle going down, not too long, and then turn it, and that will be for the mouth or the snout. Round it off, and then this is a tiny bit of it at diagonal, and then turn this for the jaw. So I lightly drew kind of X, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle right there. Turn my lines, round that off, and then draw the eyelid. Just jump that down. I'm going to connect here, and then I'm going to go from this angle to the eye. The ear, and it's like a diamond, and this is like a triangle with a rounded tip right there. So make this doubled up, and then go ahead and bring that out. Alright, here's the bangs, or the fur, or the hair, whatever you want to call it. And then this is going to round it off with a second line behind it. And so I'm going to redefine this. Yeah, I would look at a picture for ideas for the mouth and the snout and the head that way. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and make my lines a lot darker. And here is, oh, let's draw this line. It's turned. Try to find your way. And then this, it's really, really wide for the neck. And then turn your lines, a kind of zigzaggy Z's for the hair, turning them. It's not straight. And then I'm going to go ahead and make the pupil and the highlight and go around it. Darken inside the ears there and also there. And then let's go ahead and draw in the mane. And I'd like to make it dark on the top and dark at the bottom. But you can do it however you want. And there's some other areas that I can shade, so I'm just going to start to look at the picture, get some ideas for what I want to shade in to make it look a little realistic. Oh, let's go ahead and erase some extra lines. Let's go back in. As I said, I kind of want dark here and then dark on the top right there and pretty light in the center. So I'm just going to do some little details with my pencil as I look around and make it look a little bit more realistic. Take your time with this and have some fun. This is a horse, and there's so many different types of horses and their jawline and their profile. This is just one of them. So I hope you like and subscribe, and yeah, enjoy.